So welcome friends. So sometimes when you start your PC or laptop, there are programs that gets loaded automatically on starting your laptop. Okay, and in this way, sometimes unwanted programs also loads that you don't want, and they gets means they occupy the memory of the means PC, and therefore your PC goes slower. Okay, so if you don't want if you don't want those programs to be loaded on your PC on startup, and you want to disable it, this is how it is to be done. Okay, so just go to start, okay, and go to setting. Okay, setting, anywhere you will find setting. Okay, from on setting you will find apps. Okay, there can be different type of means visual setup that you can see, because in this means fashion, in this screen, I have the means apps on the left side, but someone can have the apps any other place also. Okay, so you need to search for where apps is there. Okay, so search for apps, and in apps you will find that startup is there. Okay, so click on the startup, and the lot of programs that will be loaded up means they will be displayed, and all those programs that are enabled, they get means loaded when your PC gets started. Okay, so for example, this Acrobat collaboration synchronizers gets loaded up, but the C cleaner doesn't load up. Okay, because it is off. Copilot doesn't load up because it is off. Okay, for example, Google Chrome gets loaded up when it is means it is enabled. Microsoft is Microsoft 365 Copilot, it is disabled. Okay, Teams is there, so it is disabled. Mobile devices and all this is. So accordingly, if you want anything to be disabled or enabled, you can select from here. Okay, suppose I want C cleaner to be enabled. Okay, so I will just on make it on or enable this, and that's all. Whenever I will start this laptop again, then the C cleaner will be loaded up on the memory, and it will run up. Okay, so this is the way how to means control the programs that get loaded on the startup, and how the memory is occupied. Okay, so this is all. Thank you very much.